Alright, it's my 1987 Toyota 4x4. It's got a 3-inch body lift on it right now, so it's going to be a project truck. Mismatched wheels all the way around, 31s in the front. This is a 35s I'm going to be putting on it. Nice tread pattern to them. Needs a little bit of cosmetic work. Bumper's a little bit messed up right there. Gonna probably run along the whole outside. Right here on the bed, I have to replace this whole quarter panel. Gonna take out the bench seat, put in off-road bucket seats. Let's go around here to the driver's side. There's only one thing mechanically wrong with it, and that is the most important part of the truck. The motor. Clean out transmission. Mind you, this is how I bought the truck. Not bad, it's gonna be a little project truck. Got 3 other trucks sitting over here. One of them, Bronco's, more of a mud truck. Gotta replace CV axles. That one's shot. And convert it to straight axle. The 3-inch body lift. Right now it's got the independent front suspension. I'm going to take out that, put in the solid axle. Now I'm looking at a 22R engine with the bed. What I'm just going to wind up doing with the bed is a replacement of those rust spots all over it. That this right here, no, it's really too bad. Body, I'll probably just cut that off. Bondo work, make it look nice. Gotta replace the back window and everything. Take off that South Carolina shit. But some jackass put silicone right here in the window, so the slider doesn't work. I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. Run along the interior, and it'll be done.